Welcome to this tutorial on how to redeem points on McDonald's app. To get started, you need to have the McDonald's app downloaded on your mobile device and have a registered account. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app, open it and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts. After logging in, you will see the home screen, which displays various options such as ordering food and checking your points balance. To redeem your points, click on the Rewards tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the rewards page where you can see all the available rewards and their corresponding point values. Browse through the rewards and select the one you want to redeem by clicking on it. You will then be prompted to confirm your redemption. Make sure you have enough points to redeem the reward and that you are redeeming the correct reward. If everything is correct, click on the Confirm button to complete the redemption process. After redeeming your points, you will receive a reward voucher that you can use to get your free item. To use the voucher, click on the Rewards tab again and select the voucher you just received. You can then use the voucher to order your free item through the app or at a participating McDonald's restaurant. Some best practices to keep in mind when redeeming points on the McDonald's app include making sure you have enough points to redeem the reward and using your vouchers before they expire. You can check the expiration date of your vouchers by clicking on the Rewards tab and selecting the voucher. It is also a good idea to regularly check the rewards page for new and exciting rewards and to take advantage of special promotions and offers. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily redeem your points on the McDonald's app and enjoy your favorite McDonald's items for free.